Dad! Dad! So friends, since my dad is not coming, I will give you a drawing lesson. So what are we going to draw? I'm going to draw a friend of coronavirus. So what do we need for that? We have a black paper and pencil, some few colors, and that's the draw. Just follow me, because you don't have anyone else to follow. First you're going to draw something like this. Now I'm going to draw one big eye. And you're going to draw some thorns. This is the easiest drawing got done. So what do we need for the colors? We need a string, yeah, then this. Need to have the coronavirus. This one has half night vision. Yeah, no, it is not. This is the eye of this flipping virus. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh my god, this was an easy drawing. No. The dragon one. The dragon was a difficult drawing in a channel. And our drawing is done. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. Till then, have a good day.